today's video, we are diving into the world of art supplies, especially focusing on the Faber-Castell matte graphite pencils. If you are an artist or someone who loves sketching, you know the importance of a good pencil, and these are touted as some of the best out there. I'll be showing you up close how these pencils look, how they feel in the hand, and most importantly how they perform on a paper. We'll also compare them to standard graphite pencils to see if they really make a difference. Welcome to Akansha's Fine Art. I am Akansha Dubey, and this review will help you decide if the Faber-Castell matte graphite pencils are worth adding to your collection or not. So let's get started. The Faber-Castell 6-bit matte graphite pencil set comes in a sleek compact tin box colored in dark green with matte finish that reflects the matte nature of the pencils. On the back of the tin, you'll find information about the pencils, including the specific grade included in this set. So in this set, you will get 2B, 4B, 6B, 8B, 10B and 12B. These pencils are eco-friendly and made with sustainable sourced wood. Each pencil in the set is crafted with a sleek hexagonal barrel that is comfortable to grip and prevents the pencil from rolling off surfaces. The core is made of specially formulated graphite that is extra dark and extra matte. And one thing I like about the high quality graphite core is that even if you apply heavy pressure, they don't break. Now we are going to do a pressure test using matte graphite pencils from Faber-Castell and normal graphite pencils from Derwent. So on the left side we'll have Faber-Castell and on the right we'll have Derwent pencils. The pencils will be tested under 3 different types of pressure: light pressure, medium pressure and heavy pressure. Now I'm going to just speed up a process a bit, and in light pressure we are going to apply a very gentle touch with pencil. So this section shows how the pencil performs when you need delicate fine lines. Notice the smoothness and lightness of the shading. In medium pressure, we are going to apply a bit more pressure, creating a darker line but still maintaining control. This shows how the pencil responds when you want to achieve mid-tone levels. And at heavy pressure, we'll finally demonstrate the pencil's ability to create bold, dark lines with significant pressure. So we are going to do the same process using all the 6 pencils. As you can see, the Faber-Castell matte graphite pencils appear smooth, dark and matte. There is no light glare or shininess. Now let's compare them to the Derwent graphite pencils. Now because Derwent set has more pencils as compared to the Faber-Castell one, we are going to use 6 pencils from Derwent as well, starting from 2B, and the darkest pencil will be 9B. As you can see, normal graphite pencils appear to be pretty shiny and the matte pencils appear to be pretty matte and dark. Now let's see an examples. Now let me show you some of my drawings made with normal graphite pencils and matte graphite pencils. This one is made from normal graphite pencils from Derwent. So this one is made from our star pencils, our Faber-Castell matte graphite pencils. This one also, and the next one too. Now let me just bring the drawing closer, and we are just going to tilt our drawing and see if it shines or not. So our matte pencils have a bit of shine on the darkest area. And compared with our normal graphite pencils, you can see that this drawing has a lot of shine and kind of has a glossy finish. This avocado is made with our matte graphite pencils, and as you can see that it's not completely matte, there is a bit of shine. This problem will occur when you try to achieve that deep dark shadow in your drawing. So here is a comparison of both the drawings side by side. So as you can see, the Derwent one is pretty shiny and glossy as compared with the matte. So with all the information I have gathered, I can say that the Faber-Castell Pitt Graphite matte pencils stand out for their ability to deliver deep dark shades with a notably smooth application. Compared to traditional graphite pencils, they excel in reducing the typical sheen that often interferes with the clarity of artwork under certain lighting conditions. When applied lightly or with moderate pressure, these pencils maintain a consistent matte finish, which is ideal for artists looking to avoid unwanted glare on their drawings. However, when used with heavy pressure or laid thickly on the paper, a slight sheen can still emerge. While this sheen is significantly less pronounced than with the conventional graphite pencils, it is something to be mindful of, especially in areas where a completely matte appearance is crucial. Despite this, the overall performance of these pencils in terms of darkness, smoothness, and ease of blending makes them a valuable addition to any artist's toolkits. So in summary, the Faber-Castell Pitt Graphite matte pencils offer an excellent balance of darkness and matte finish with only a minor sheen under heavy application. I highly recommend adding these to your collection if you are serious about your art and want to maintain that crisp matte look in your drawings. Thanks for watching my video. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more art tips and reviews. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one.